Okay, now we are replacing the X-ray generator. 你直接操作就行。We're replacing the X-ray generator and put this box into here. 你自己动没关系。
这是一个中心点哈，这个画的中心点。
Okay, here is the middle line and with this gap.
对，这个跟这个通过这个一致。
Okay, you should be matched the gap with this line. Okay, this is also a gap. And now we're fixing the screws on the X-ray generator. Okay, you should adjust this metal box, the gap matched with the inside gap of the X-ray generator.
调好了就可以把那个4个螺丝钉。
After you check it's matched well, then you fixing these screws and put this box under the tunnel and match with this position.
里面画了一个线。
Okay, we have drawing the lines here. This is the original position of the X-ray generator. And then you fixing all the screws with the machine. And connecting with the cable here, and also that is the power supply cable, the black one, and here is the data transfer cable on this shell for preventing X-ray leaking. After that, and we press the button to start the X-ray generator, and then you can see here with 3 indicators to make sure the X-ray generator work well. And now we should enter into the system and adjust the curve to check if the machine work well. 这么快啊 ？Okay. Now we go to the menu with this management account and with password 6612356. Okay, and login. Okay, and here for the curve, here is blank. Now we need to check the curve. You can see this curve here is very lower position. We need to adjust it. Okay, you can like this way to move the generator position a little bit lefter, and then you can see again. Oh, you can see this curve is lower than before. Means you need to move the generator opposite position. Okay, and then see again. 要到哪个位置比较好？
要给你看一个。
要到12000那个多少？
要到12000以上。
12000以上。You should make the curves more than 1200 like this above. Then will be perfect for scanning the image. Okay. This is the way for X-ray generator replacing and adjusting. Okay, you can see this curve. This curve is better than almost in 1200 this line. Okay, this is the perfect position of the X-ray generator. Then once you want to adjust the X-ray generator position, you should check this curve each time. Okay, here curve. Should be this position, then the scanning image will be better. This is the X-ray generator, and when you want to replace it, should be first disconnect this data transfer cable and here the power supply cable. This is for X-ray generator controller, okay? And then losing these screws, and also here the screws here and 4, okay? And get this metal box out. You can see we already drawing lines here for reminding that the original position of this X-ray generator. Okay. And, here is the control box here and power supply.
把那个门板印好了就那个，然后给你说嘛。